Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, is a medical condition in which the pressure or the force of the circulating blood against the artery wall is high. In simple words, when our heart beats, it pushes the blood through our blood vessel network to different parts of our body, including our brain, kidney, liver, and all other parts. Now, this pushing of the blood is the pressure, and the blood vessels constantly adjust to maintain our blood pressure and keep the blood flowing at a healthy rate. Vessels become narrow or wider to maintain this pressure. Healthy arteries are flexible, stronger, the inner lining is smooth for the blood to flow freely, supplying the organ and tissues with oxygen and essential nutrients. Hello everyone, welcome to All Light Food, and in this video we will talk about blood pressure, causes, symptoms and food remedies. So keep watching the video. Blood pressure can be affected by many factors. It is absolutely normal for the blood pressure to fluctuate in a day due to extreme exercise, stress, sudden food, caffeine or emotional response. But when the blood pressure remains constantly high, it can be concerning, as constant high blood pressure can put stress on the heart, leading to heart attack and stroke. A few causes for high blood pressure can be excessive smoking, too much salt or sodium intake, family history of blood pressure, then excessive alcohol consumption, or if you are obese or overweight, then lack of physical activities or exercise, then stress and depression, and also people having diabetes and kidney problems are more likely to develop hypertension. Now, high blood pressure being a gradual process has no significant symptoms. Your doctor using a monitor can perform a test to learn about your blood pressure. Systolic and diastolic pressures are detected to check the normal blood pressure in the vessels. However, if left untreated, then high blood pressure can cause severe health conditions like heart attack and stroke. So it is necessary to do your health checkups at regular intervals. But if the blood pressure is extremely high, then one may experience severe headache, fatigue and restlessness, then chest pain, difficulty in breathing and irregular heartbeats. Treatment for hypertension can vary with the severity of the condition. Leading a healthy lifestyle, regular exercise and medications are a few things to control hypertension. But above all, eating a healthy and balanced diet is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. And when it comes to diet to control high blood pressure, the DASH diet is recommended by the experts to follow. In this blog, we will talk about the DASH diet, what food is included in the diet pattern and how it works. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension is a flexible and balanced diet plan designed for people with high blood pressure. The diet pattern includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, low-fat dairy and fish, and reduction of eating high amount of salty food, saturated fat and full fat dairy products. The first one is food rich in vitamin C, found in citric fruits and vegetables like oranges, lemon, tomatoes, mandarins, grapefruit, melon, etc. Vitamin C is known to have good effect on reducing blood pressure. The second one is omega-3, found in walnut, eggs, salmon, sardines, other fatty fish, beans, soya, tofu, chia seeds, wild rice, broccoli, hemp, cashew, Brussels sprout, etc. The omega-3 fats are heart healthy and can help to reduce blood pressure by reducing the inflammation and decreasing the levels of blood vessels constricting compounds. The next one is magnesium. Food like tofu, avocado, curds, banana, turtle beans, cashew, pumpkin seeds, brown rice, legumes, whole grains, etc. are essential to relax the blood vessels and reduce the blood pressure. The fourth one is whole grain. Food like brown rice, oats, amaranth, barley, buckwheat and millet can help to decrease the risk of high blood pressure. The nuts and seeds, pistachio, chia seed, flax seed, pumpkin seed and almonds are very nutritious and are considered healthy for maintaining normal blood pressure and healthy heart. Next is the dietary nitrates. Vegetables like beetroot, beet greens, celery, spinach and lettuce contain the nutrient nitrate, which relaxes the blood vessels and reduces the blood pressure. The next one is lycopene, found in tomatoes, is associated with having a good effect on the heart health. This can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is the factor of high blood pressure. The next one is potassium. Potassium is considered as an essential nutrient in reducing and preventing blood pressure. Potassium helps to relax the walls of the blood vessels, lowering the blood pressure. Many studies have shown that increased potassium intake can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Food rich in potassium are bananas, raisins, apricots, sweet potatoes, avocado, beans, citrus fruits, fish, and squash. The first one is undoubtedly sodium. Sodium is considered bad for blood pressure. Excess sodium in the body can cause fluid retention, which increases the blood pressure. So avoid food that are high in sodium, like table salt, and every food that contains high amount of salt, like salted nuts, pickle, processed meat, etc. The next one is canned beans or canned soup. They also contain high amount of sodium and other harmful preservatives. Then sugar, and finally food high in saturated and trans fat. Avoid all this food to reduce the blood pressure. Blood pressure can be prevented and controlled by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, yoga, meditation, and a proper diet can help you to lower and control hypertension forever. Do regular checkups and consult with your healthcare provider for any medications, dietary plans, and workout. More of all, do not take stress and get depressed. Always remember, when you are healthy, the world around you is healthy too. So that's all for today's video. I hope the video was a bit informative. If you have any questions regarding the topic, please let me know in the comment section below, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones, and I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay healthy. And for food and health related articles, visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.